Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nia Yutasari and my ID student is 21130420079. And here I want the presentation. In my presentation, I choose two materials. And the first material is video games recession in China, and second material is about reading. And yeah, let's go to first material. Before that, we need know about what is video games. Video games are games that are played by electronic devices that use internet access with content of various things, including action game, fighting game, real-time strategy, simulation, role-playing games, and the others. The example, the famous games is PUBG and Free Fire, and some games are registered to be safe for players, especially young players. And next, China is one of the biggest countries in production and using video games. Recently, China has set new regulation for restriction on online gaming for various restrictions, including reduce addiction to playing video games among young people. It is done by limiting young people playing video games. And second, video games can affect children's physical and mental health because many children who are addicted to playing games will forget their health, and some who are not as appropriate will affect their mentality. And the next, regulation imposed by Chinese government. The first, limiting children under 18 years old playing video games 1.5 hour on weekdays and 3 hour on weekends. At 2019, Beijing passed a law for restriction on playing video games for children to avoid addicted. And second, launched a face detection tool to prevent children from opening adult content. This is to prevent children from accessing adult content. The third, enforce curfew patrol at that doing in the night. For the children cannot access adult content, and for remove harmful, dirty, and pornographic, bloody, and horrible content, so as not to affect the psychology of children and lead to criminal acts. And yeah, last, can the regulation be applied in our country? In my opinion, I think if the rules are implemented in our country, it will bring about big change and increase productivity and intelligence in children. However, unfortunately, the law is not strict, education is lacking, and there are still many who feel it for personal enjoyment and interest. As yeah, we move to second materials. In the second material is about reading. What is reading? Reading is activities that can increase knowledge and open insight to new things. Reading is also flexible activities that can be done anytime and anywhere. By reading, we can discover new things what we didn't know before. And next, 10 of virtues of reading. The first, consumption for brain. With reading, we can give nutrition for brain with knowledge gained from books. The second, practice speaking style and increase vocabulary. Third, get tips and mentoring from successful people. And four, help focus eyes and mind. 5, open way thinking. 6, can have fun. 7, improve memory. 8, help in making decisions. 9, best medicine for sleep. And last is 10, that can help know and develop themselves. Correct position when reading. The first, sitting upright while reading. Second, reading distance between eyes and book to 25 until 30 centimeter. And third, good lighting. In reading must be with sufficient light and bright place. And four, rest your eyes when reading Don't forget to rest your eyes so your eyes don't get tired. Yeah, the last I want to say about my favorite book. My favorite book is 2014. That book is a book by Darmizan. The book contains about how to be positive and stress-free teenagers, teach to always think positively in life, and contains motivation quotes from hadith and verses of the Al-Quran. I like that book because it can make me to positive vibes teenagers. And yeah, that is my presentation. Before I end my presentation, I want to say learning and playing activities must be balanced so that the need for knowledge and happiness be met. Sorry if there are many shortcomings and there are errors in my presentation. So thank you for attending and see you. Thank you all.